Hello everybody and welcome to today's live here at Magic Hair Company. What am I getting ready to do today? You guys see this purple wig here? I'm getting ready to celebrate my 35th birthday in Jamaica, and so I'm showing you guys my wig collection. And these are the wigs that I'm getting ready. We did all this custom coloring here in store. And this one. All three of these started out 1B, and we did the custom color right here in store. And this is the wig that I wear almost every day. So today I'm just going to do some styling. And yeah, let me know if you have any questions below. Check out how easy it is to put on our glueless wigs. Our wigs are glueless, and that's it. Let me line that part up. And that's it. My wig is secure. It's not going anywhere. And this is quality blonde hair. Okay, let me get to styling. So these two I'm just going to style up, trim the edges a little bit. And you know, when I go on vacation, I love wearing long curly hair. I'm gonna cut some layers in the front. So let's talk about our trip. I'm sad that I won't have a butler, but I'm gonna come use your butler. I thought we all had butlers, so that made me sad, but.
Upgrade. They sent me an upgrade deal.
Yeah, but I think we have to have a three-room suite to have the butler.
Ours is two.
Well, we don't need 2 rooms.
Ocean view.
What other kind of stuff does our resort have? The spa. But I'm looking forward to when we ride down the river and get the mud on us.
You said your childhood wasn't lit. If you ain't drowned at least once.
Oh, I definitely drowned.
Right? No, I don't think I ever drowned. I took swimming lessons at a young age.
I took swimming lessons and still almost drowned. When I went to summer camp, they put me in the group of kids that can't swim, and I was like, but I swim all the time. So, yeah, I definitely wasn't a strong swimmer. And now look at me, I always want to get in the water, huh?
It said, I don't want to say it said, you be on all the red flags and still end up pregnant with little red flags.
Yeah. That's crazy.
I can't stand people on Instagram. That part. I hear what you're saying, but I see how you moving. That's a good one.
If you're not already, go ahead and subscribe to our newsletter. That is where we will announce our Black Friday sale first. And a lot of items that you see behind me will be up to 50% off on Black Friday only, in store only. So subscribe to our newsletter at magichaircompany.com so you don't miss out. Remember how we were talking about I wanted to go to Disneyland?
I want to go too.
Yeah, I really want to go, especially while it's decorated for the holiday season.
Ooh.
This is like the purple of Aisha's braids, huh?
Yeah.
So let me see how this one looks. Switch.
I'm done.
Oh, I like this.
You wear that tomorrow?
I'm either gonna wear this one tomorrow or this one. So I'm gonna style this one and then try them on. No? Yeah? Yeah, okay, if I wear this to brunch, so I should probably do my makeup, huh? I love this.
That would just fire.
Huh? I finally bought a Telfar purse.
Oh,
Telfar?
oh, that one that's not so expensive, but everybody's buying it.
Yep.
Because Beyonce had it or something.
I wanted it before then. But yeah. They're pretty affordable. But I want another one. Okay, so this is option A. And this is option B. Okay, so I'm gonna wear one of these tomorrow. I'll post pictures maybe. And then this is the wig I'm wearing for my event next week. All right, everybody, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Check us out online at magichaircompany.com or here in our Culver City store. We are your glueless, custom lace wig maker. And yes, we do custom color here in store. See you guys later. Bye.